All right.
The school site investigations can be used as outdoor classrooms while students study the native animals, trees, and plants, or lack thereof.
With the help of the Green Schools investigation, I was able to find lack of maintenance and unused green spaces around my campus.
The students take on the role of a doctor as they diagnose problems of the school site and suggest ways to fix those problems.
They provide recommendations of the site and implement solutions.
There are many recommendations that students can make, but first they need to assess their schoolyard. Students can map the school grounds and investigate areas to determine needed improvement. Some areas may not be as obvious as others. At Thomas Stone High School in Waldorf, Maryland, students noticed that a large section of their school's parking lot wasn't being used. They investigated ways to make the area more efficient and discovered they could make the surface pervious to allow groundwater to flow more freely. The students brought their recommendation to their principal, who agreed to convert the surface. Students can also investigate unused areas of their school site to see if they can be home to outdoor learning spaces. These classrooms can be used to show students the importance of connecting with their natural environment.
We can also look for places to make gardens.
Gardens are like outdoor laboratories where students can implement lessons they have learned in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Barnard Elementary School in Washington, D.C. has divided the work of gardening with each grade level maintaining its own raised bed. Students plant vegetables that relate to what they're learning in their classrooms. Students don't have to investigate just their green areas as potential gardens. Raised beds and potted plants can also grow on areas covered in concrete and teach students about agriculture.
Teaching students about our agricultural spaces sends them home with the knowledge to teach their communities how to become healthier.
Health is an important part of school site investigations, especially now. The last several decades have seen a rise in childhood obesity, which studies suggest is connected to students not spending enough time outside. However, research indicates that outdoor environmental learning not only encourages students to embrace outside activities, but it also improves science test scores. Students who help grow vegetable gardens also learn the benefits of a healthy diet.
The gardens are kind of nice because sometimes we can pick food from it and eat them. We go raspberries, strawberries, we go tomatoes, carrots, blueberries, lettuce. That's all I can think of.
Students exposed to outdoor classrooms also become encouraged to participate in fitness activities outside.
I camp a lot. I hike a lot.
Using school site investigations, students can also find areas on campus that might be far more useful than they appear.
This low area here would be great for a rain garden.
Natural rain gardens can thrive in untouched areas and become outdoor classrooms by providing students with opportunities to observe native plants and wildlife. School site investigations can be simple but have immediate payoffs.
Like taking inventory of trees on school grounds.
This not only helps the school when students make recommendations for areas where they can plant more trees, but it also helps the students become better citizen scientists as they learn what trees are invasive to their region.
We learned to identify invasive plants and dying trees, and we removed them.
Another benefit of school site investigations is that students learn to use tools that help them develop even more ideas for action projects such as iTree. iTree is an online application that helps show students the importance of trees and the benefits of planting them on their school site.
I learned how to access iTree in order to learn how much energy and shade the tree provides, and also how much gallons of water it absorbs.
iTree also shows students how many gallons of rainwater a tree can absorb, which can prevent flooding.
I love it. Thanks to iTree, we have been able to create documents regarding our spaces with concrete versus ground cover.
Resources discovered through school site investigations can give students tools they can use for life. The investigations allow students to learn, recreate, and connect with nature.